In this 4-minute vlog, I'll give Fife homeowners some top tips on essential summer property maintenance to avoid bigger bills later on. Now that summer is availing itself, many of us are making the most of our outdoor spaces and enjoying the uptake in weather. However, whilst we enjoy being outside, don't forget to keep the property ticking along during the summer months. Here are a few maintenance tips that should keep your property in tip-top condition over the next few months. So check your gutters. After the cold winter months, with freezing temperatures, gutters are at risk of leaks, and especially following the recent spell of rainy weather, which can move debris into gutters. Summer is the ideal time to check their health. Leaky and unsecured guttering can lead to bigger problems of water damage to your property, as well as being a fall hazard. Whilst you're checking your gutters, go ahead and check your drainage system at the same time to ensure that there aren't any blockages there too. Doors and windows. Similarly to your guttering, doors and windows have been through a rough period by the time summer is in full swing. With the cold months of winter potentially cracking door and window seals, followed by spring showers causing further damage, it is imperative to check your doors and windows. Of course, if you have double glazing, this is less of an issue. By checking that your seals are in order is certainly a good use of half an hour during the summer to stop any problems later on in the year. The central heating. When the weather heats up, the temptation is simply to turn off the central heating and give the radiators a holiday. Then start everything back up once temperatures inevitably plummet. Keeping the heating on low level throughout the colder summer days will keep the central heating system ticking over and also prevent any damp issues. During the summer, bleeding your radiators will also ensure that they remain efficient. If you're unsure how to do this, then a quick search online will direct you to some intuitive videos. If you go on holiday during the summer, the same applies. Keeping the heating on low level may save you larger problems in the long run. Sound alarms. Whilst a check of your smoke alarms and CO2 alarms may not seem like a particularly summery activity to be carrying out, you should be checking these units several times a year. By building these checks into your summer list of tasks, you're keeping yourself and others safe. Insulation throughout the seasons. Updating your insulation may intuitively seem like a winter task, but part of keeping your home cool and comfortable in the summer is good insulation, as this will stop heat penetrating the building. Of course, when it comes to the winter months, you'll also reap the benefits of insulation, as it will keep the heat from escaping, ensuring a cosy property when the temperatures begin to plummet. If you have anything to add to this, please feel free to leave a comment, as I'd love to hear from you. Finally, can I ask you to hit that like button, as it will give this post more social reach, and therefore Facebook will allow more people to see it. Until next time, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.